Well, now you've had an opportunity to see the villa we're staying in. You've had an opportunity to have cocktails with us, and then of course dinner. Now I'd like to share with you the Fern Tree Spa at Half Moon. And lo and behold, today it is absolutely pouring rain. Pouring rain. So here we are in Jamaica, and the sky is overcast. The foliage is quite beautiful. However, it is pouring rain. And here is a view around by the spa under my umbrella. And there's a mongoose up in the tree that I can't get you to see, but I'm just going to point in that direction. And now I'm going to walk towards the spa here on the pathway in the rain. Beautiful flowers over here. There's the spa itself coming up. And as if we don't have enough water, we have a waterfall right here.